רציתי שהוא יבוא, ילד, הוא היה אמור להיות כאן עכשיו, איזה מסכן. It looks like, it feels like Rancho Park. The edge of Rancho Park, think about it. It's oriented right there. Rancho Park is that way. No, this is the golf course, the private, and then the public. Look at the map.
It's called the city. Culver City puts on a really big show also. Well, maybe you're right.
See the towers, the condo?
Yeah. Yeah, you know, maybe it is. Maybe it is.
Yeah, upload to your YouTube channel.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
It's like the entire sky is going like green.
You saw it? You saw it? It looks like, oh my god, it looks like. That's me?
All the lights.
Whoa.
Oh, here's
That's gonna be a big one.
Amazing.
For you, it's nothing. Every Friday party you had the.
Some people like shit fireworks. It's like a mortar.
The dogs are like, my past life.
It's the end. It's the end. Past like Vietnam flashbacks. What is it?
Look, special fireworks. They're not designed for maximum.
It's just getting louder.
Yeah.
Oh my.
I think
Something better sooner rockets.
Trump on one of the biggest displays in history, 80,000 shells in Washington, New York.
The army?
Tonight. 80,000 shells.
You can tell by how many magnesium they use.
אדם מספיק פיצוצים, תודה רבה.
Mhm.
We invented the fireworks, you know?
Probably the Chinese.
Goddamn Chinese.
I think it's actually accurate.
Huh?
I think it's accurate.
Yeah.
Someone with
They use it to
fire
scare away
vodka.
enemies, actually.
Is it really?
Yeah, back when they were like shooting bows in the air at each other. They shoot a firework over it. You never saw anything like that.
And then we saw them like, heck yeah, we're gonna use this. And it works. It scares off the British. So cold out here.
Cool.
Yeah,
No,
the
I-
top down there.
You don't have some circulation.
Oh, I know, you can't with this.
What's happening?
Just gotta search it.
Oh yeah, that one's
No, it's
The
no,
Chaim-
it's
Grab a
it's
clean
probably
towel
on
and
the
wrap it
neighborhood.
around.
Okay, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah, it's probably on the neighborhood.
Ooh.
Wow.
Double. Smell the smoke?
Yep, it smells like a forest fire. We're gonna run here.
No. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Whoa, big.
It has like a crazy wind.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Santa Moro.
Okay. Actually, some stuff. Second rock shoots it in the sky. And then, like a 6-pound explosive blows up.
Heard that whistling? It's a fireworks.
I think so. I believe
They
that.
emergency service, yeah. what I thought. But getting bigger.
Why is it on?
Oh, it's someone choking a cat.
Oh my god.
Finale.
Shoot, it sounds like a screaming girl. What is that?
It's a crazy type of firework.
Wow.
Did he
Launch
explode
it,
or
go
what?
watch. Launch it, watch. And then,
You did that in Santa Barbara?
no.
I like seeing
Where
what
is
happens.
I can smell it
Yeah.
somewhere.
Yeah.
Smell the gunpowder.
They strobe watch.
No, but it explodes. It's like a 6-pack.
Sounds nice.
Very
Wow, on purpose.
Yeah.
פתח תקווה שמו לנו כל כך קרוב, לזיקוקים שהיו נופלים הנתזים של המתכת על האנשים. מה שנשרף. אז אני אמרתי פעם, מה זה? זה לא כזה. למה כזה קרוב? אנשים נשרפים בחיים.
Iron Dome.
Golden Dome.
Yeah, what is this golden dome? What is it want to do?
It's gonna be
Same thing like what Israel's got.
It's gonna be the Iron Dome of
Just
Warsaw.
go.
Just a little more big.
Yeah, we were like this.
Iron Dome, but expensive.
We built it for you. Heard that? Way better.
Wow. Big bear.
Yeah.
When there's a forest fire. It's all fun and games until they launch like 5 of them. I feel like just like
Wow. You know the loudest and biggest one? I want to launch 7 of those.
yeah. Like think of all those dots, you know. But every open space is not a dot overlapped by another dot. You know what I mean? Just like take that firework, but kind of just rotate it a bit and put like times 5. You know. No open space, only dots. Just like it looks like just like a ball in there going like this.
Yeah, that would look cool.
The trash can is when you wash my car. Put like sabon.
You put that 5 minutes?
Maybe 9:15. Wow.
1, 2. See, maybe? 1, 2. They live in the world.
תגידי לי יניב, מה זה? יניב יעשה עם כסף גרדנינג, יש לו נוכחות ברוך השם.
I know.
Did you hear what Don Benny said? Somebody came by and said they wanted to watch it.
Yeah.
You can do
Ah,
this
yeah.
now. Yeah.
יניב, enjoy. אני לובש צהוב. תרשמי עליו. Administration. שילך רק עם מצע של מייק. או לקטע
במיוחד
שיש
באזור.
It's all fun and games, but people do it. Sometimes they'll explode it, and all those dots, they'll pack those dots with the same explosives. So it'll explode.
And then explode.
Yeah. Like 10 times. Think of one of those messing up and going off in the ground.
Clean your.
I tried. I tried.
Oh, so it's just,
Yeah.
you put those. Okay. You don't have to.
Yeah.
That's a very
like 10 minutes.